Number 10. Marine on Mars for 17 years. A former U.S. Marine has claimed he spent 17 years of his career on Mars. The ex-naval infantryman, who uses the pseudonym Captain K, says he was posted to the Red Planet to protect 5 human colonies from indigenous Martian life forms. He claims he then spent nearly 3 years serving in a secret space fleet run by a multinational organization called the Earth Defense Force, which recruits military personnel from countries including the US, Russia, and China. In testimony released to XO News TV, Captain K says he was trained to fly 3 different types of space fighters and 3 bombers. He added that training took place on a secret moon base called Lunar Operations Command, Saturn's moon Titan, and in deep space. Captain K says he retired after a 20-year tour of duty, describing a retirement ceremony on the moon that he claims was presided over by VIPs, including ex-Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld. Number 9. Underground Base on Mars. UFO hunters claim to have discovered a series of mysterious hidden alien structures on planet Mars. The structures, according to UFO and Mars anomaly hunters, appear to have been constructed by aliens wishing to conceal their presence from visitors to the planet. The mysterious structures were originally discovered by the prolific Mars anomaly hunter Marcelo Irazusta, who reported that he detected some of the structures despite efforts by NASA to conceal them using crappy Photoshop. According to UFO Sightings Daily Scott Waring, the photo shows a carefully concealed entrance to a massive underground base for alien UFO spaceships on Mars. Number 8. Strange women on Mars. NASA's Curiosity Rover took an image of the red planet and captured a shape that bears a resemblance to a mysterious ghost lady walking on the planet's surface. The level of resemblance is almost certainly about your desire to believe in extraterrestrial life. UFO Sightings Daily, the website that brought attention to the image, says that the shape looks like a woman, partly cloaked. Perhaps it's a cloaked ghost Martian woman. Perhaps it's a statue left over from a once great society. Perhaps it's a piece of dirt. Have something to add to this story? Share it in the comments. Number 7. Mystery Dome found on Mars. There's a set of UFO hunters who are convinced that NASA is covering up the remains of an ancient civilization on Mars. In the hope of backing up their bizarre theory, they've spotted what they believe to be everything from military bunkers to coffins on the red planet. Their latest sighting of a rock by the Opportunity rover, described as a man-made dome that they say was left behind by an alien race sometime during Mars' watery past. They claim a glow or light in the middle of the dome is evidence that it may be metallic and reflecting sunlight. The existence of domes on Mars proves that someone, or something, built them in the past, wrote conspiracy website The Unsilent Majority. Is it possible that we are looking at some sort of building left behind by ancient inhabitants on Mars? Number 6. Stonehenge on Mars. The latest discovery, seen using high-resolution images of the Martian surface, a mysterious circle of stones have been spotted on top of a raised mound on the planet. Dubbed Mars-henge, alien enthusiasts have been comparing it to the famous stone circle at Stonehenge in Wiltshire, England. The strange cluster of stones has already triggered theories that it may have been built by aliens. However, experts have in the past said such stone circles may form as a result of natural processes that also occur here on Earth. Number 5. Levitating Sphere. Online UFO hunters have recently revisited the case of a curious anomaly. Supposedly, a levitating sphere first spotted in a Curiosity Rover photo of Martian terrain last year. NASA's Mars rover captured the alleged levitating sphere on camera as it hovered above rocky Martian surface. The NASA image, according to UFO researchers, shows a shadow beneath the levitating sphere that proves that the object was actually levitating above Martian soil. Number 4. Disc-shaped UFO found on Mars. A possible UFO has been photographed by one of the Malin space science cameras, which are currently operating in orbit around Mars. It's interesting to note that the object bears a striking resemblance to the Jupiter 2 spaceship from the popular science fiction series Lost in Space. Number 3. Dinosaur bones found on Mars. Pictures placed online, which were originally taken by the NASA Mars Curiosity Rover, showed a strange formation that UFO researchers claim could be the fossilized bones of a long-dead Martian prehistoric beast. If we look closer, we can also see a large eye socket and a large curved spine. Number 2. Pyramid on Mars. In their latest claim, conspiracy theorists say they have found a replica of one of Egypt's Great Pyramids on Mars. Citing the near-perfect design and shape, they argue the pyramid is evidence that an ancient civilization once lived on the Red Planet. While the pyramid is believed to be car-sized, alien hunters say it may be just the tip of a much larger structure buried beneath. None of the Curiosity Rover's subsequent photos taken at 20 to 30 second intervals in the following few minutes, and the subsequent photos hours later, included the object. It appears that the NASA operators of Curiosity deliberately chose not to take another photo or zoom in on the pyramid. And finally, number 1. Facehugger crab on Mars. Alien hunters say they have spotted a mysterious facehugger crab on the Red Planet. Since the image was uploaded on Facebook, some people have said it looks like the facehugger monster shown in the 1979 film Alien. The crab can be seen in an image taken by the Mars rover Curiosity, which shows a formation that looks like a cave mouth on the Red Planet. The photo was taken by NASA in July. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch up my next video.